Swap out rice for hearty pearl barley in this Barley Fried Rice, a wholesome twist on a takeout classic. Here's how I prepare mine for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. Start by preparing all your vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables, frozen vegetables, or even canned vegetables for this. Heat a large pan on medium-high heat and drizzle in a little olive oil. Once the pan is nice and hot, you want to start by cooking your fresh vegetables, then adding your garlic. Cook for a few minutes and then add in your frozen vegetables. Keep cooking until the veggies are all thawed out and you get a nice color on the veggies. Meanwhile, crack in all your eggs in a small bowl and give them a quick whisk with a fork. Move the veggies over to one side of the pan, drizzle in a little bit more olive oil in the pan, then pour in the eggs. You want to keep stirring the eggs as they're cooking so that they're nice and scrambled until they're just cooked. At this point, add in the cooked barley. Stir it in so it gets nice and heated through, and while it's cooking, grate in the fresh ginger root, and then deglaze the pan with soy sauce. You want to make sure to use low sodium soy sauce here, and then add in a little bit of sesame oil. Once your pan is deglazed, you're ready to enjoy with some green onion, sesame seeds, and your choice of protein. Find the full recipe at frenchkisscook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.